Could really take an eye out with this thing. Hey guys, welcome to another Red Yeti First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out Jackson Hole Fly Company. Jackson Roll, wow, starting early. Jackson Hole Fly Co. makes high quality fly fishing rods, reels, flies, and accessories. They design and manufacture all of their products in-house in Wyoming, one of the fly fishing meccas of the world, and they've been doing that since 1978. Jackson Hole Fly Co. has everything you need, whether you're just getting started and building up all your gear or you're a seasoned fly fishing veteran. But today we're going to be checking out their fly fishing rod and reel kit. This is their fly fishing rod and reel kit. Well, these are packages that they come in, but inside is their kit. This kit comes complete with a Yellowstone rod. This one is a 9-foot 5-weight. Their Grizzly Fly Reel, 100 yards of fly line backing, and silvertip weight forward fly line. The Yellowstone is a fast action rod that comes in weights of 3 to 7. There are 4 lengths to choose from 6'6" to 9 feet. Jackson Hole Fly Co. does offer a lifetime warranty in case anything happens to your rod. Rods can be fragile, sat on, happens. This rod is made from IM8 graphite and is equipped with titanium line guides. This rod has a Portuguese cork grip and a look-through burled maple reel seat that integrates great with their Yellowstone Grizzly Reel. Good cork, beautiful, beautiful rod. But wait, there's more. I got so much. Could really take an eye out with this thing. I guess I'll just, you know what? It's okay. It's 9 feet. People get it. That leads us to the next piece of our kit, the Yellowstone Grizzly Fly Reel. As I mentioned before, this reel integrates easily with the Yellowstone rod. It is available in a variety of weights depending on what kind of rod you're working with. This kit also includes a Dacron fly line backing in 3 different colors, which is nice. Which cron? It's Dacron. And silvertip weight forward fly line available in weights from 2 to 12 and 5 different colors. Obviously, each of these components are fairly important to get into fly fishing, and if you're just getting started with this kit, you're pretty much all set. However, if you are a seasoned fly fisher and know what you want, you can get each of these components separately or just in various weights of your preference. Plus, Jackson Hole Fly Co.'s rods are priced pretty competitively compared to a lot of the other fly rods on the market. On top of serving hobbyists who are already immersed in fly fishing as it is, they really want to be putting out products that help people just get into the sport way easier. And I think they do a great job of that. Anyone who's already into the sport will probably know what they want and want a specific thing. Well, Jackson Hole Fly Co. has that. At the end of the day, they're selling a lifetime activity and want to get you set up to get outside. That's it for our first look of Jackson Hole Fly Co.'s fly rod and reel kit. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Hit subscribe and then hit the little bell so you can get notifications. That's it for now, and stay tuned for another Red Yeti First Look coming at you next week.